What's up everybody, this is Nick and welcome back to the channel, Boost Life 973. Today we're going to be doing an upgrade to the Bmw M235i and we are going to be putting a flash tune in it. So basically I got the Dinantronics Sport Performance Tuner. And it's a, it's a relatively inexpensive option compared to the other, Dinan options or tuners out there. This one is, the plug and play one that you, you put in, you plug into the pressure sensor on the charge pipe, and it takes a minute to install. It's super easy, and I wanted to try it out. It's hard just to find paying over $2,000 for the Dinan Stage 1 tune. So, I figured I'll give this a try, see how it is, and if I don't like it, I'll get something else. Alright guys, so you might be wondering, what exactly does this tune do? So this tune remaps the boost, fueling, and timing for optimal performance. So it plugs into your pressure sensor and tricks the stock computer into thinking it's pushing less boost than it really is, so it compensates and then makes more boost. So that's basically how it works. The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your battery so that you don't have any problems, and that's what Dinan says to do. And I also want to mention that this is not one of Dinan's product that that they carry their factory warranty with. It's a cheaper product that they came out to compete with piggyback tunes, and so this is not one of their high-tech products that they will take accountability if anything happens. So also keep that in mind. And we really don't know too much about long-term reliability with this stuff, but the nice thing is that with this tune you can switch it between 5 different options, which is stock, sport, sport plus, race, and then valet mode. So with the click of a button on your phone, it connects through Bluetooth. You can change these settings to what driving style you would like. So that's another thing I really like about it. So Dinan claims that this tune in race mode produces 30 horsepower and 40 feet-pounds of torque. And alright guys, so the first step is undoing your battery. So basically what you want to do is, get a 10mm socket. I have an extension. You don't need an extension. So basically you're going to go to the negative terminal and you're just going to untighten your battery, as so, and it will come right off. You just pull it off, set it to the side right here, and your battery will be disconnected. Alright guys, so basically the Dinan Sport Tune, which is right here, that's the computer of the tune. So basically the tune is going to plug into the pressure sensor located on the charge pipe, which is right here. If you can see, I'll get a better look. If not, the charge pipe is right there. It's the black pipe leading to the turbo inlet. And so the male harness from the Dinan tune is going to plug into the female plug that the car came with, which is this plug right here. And then you're going to connect the male plug to the female plug housing on the pressure sensor. And then what you want to do is you want to mount this, you want to mount the brains of the tune somewhere where it's not going to be affected by heat as much. So I connected it right here to the mass airflow sensor. And if I ever need to take the tune off or anything, it takes me 30 seconds to take it off. I just have to unclip this plug right here, and I'm good to go. So after you've disconnected the battery, you're going to come in the car, you're going to find the charge pipe, and you are going to disconnect the pressure sensor right here. And then once you disconnect the pressure sensor, you're going to plug the Dinan tune into the pressure sensor, and then the plug that came out of the car that's not plugged into anything currently is you're gonna plug into right here. So it's a very simple and easy install. You know, it takes about a minute, which is you know, not bad at all for a tune, which is super nice. All right guys, to double check that the tune is on, you can look at your dining control module and you can see that there's a red light. So that means that it's on and that it's working. And I'm gonna show you what you see in your phone when you change the settings. Hey guys, I apologize about the cracked phone, but it's the brand new iPhone and it's $600 for a new screen, and so I can't really justify paying that. So you can see the Dinantronics Sport. You're gonna click Sport, and then you can actually select the mode that you want to be in. So right now it's in race mode. I can switch it to Sport Plus. I can switch it to stock. And then if I go back in race mode, it says race mode warning. It says, while you can use 91 octane fuel with race mode, Dinan recommends 93 or higher octane fuel with this setting. So basically it's just telling you that you have to use 93 if you want to be in the race setting, which is the 93 tune. And then it switches over to race. I can switch it to Sport Plus. So I really like this, you know, this feature, and it also does show you the boost, your active boost, if you want to know that as well. Alright guys, so the first couple pulls were in comfort mode, and then I switched it to Sport Plus. And so you can it's definitely louder than it is stock. You know, it pulls a lot harder, and I'm very, very, very happy with this tune. Alright guys, so we're in Sport Plus, and we are in race mode with the Dinan tune. So we're gonna see how it pulls. So we're gonna do a third gear pull, and you guys can see low RPMs. This thing is quick. This is a fast car now. This livens this car up a lot. Holy crap. gonna do a second gear pull right now. We're in about at 2.5K RPMs. We'll do a little pull. Sorry, I had to shift, but you guys get the point. It's a lot quicker than a stock M235i, and I'm very, very happy with this tune. If you floor it in first gear, no matter what, you're gonna get wheel spin. Even in second gear, you're gonna get wheel spin. This thing is fun. Alright guys, so I am very, very pleased with this tune. You know, it pulls a lot harder, especially, you know, throughout every gear range it pulls super hard. You can really feel it though in a third gear pull, second gear pull. It is very, very fast. I definitely recommend trying out this tune and seeing how you like it. I think the boost settings go from 1 pound over stock to about 4.5 pounds in race setting or so, and so you know, you're not pushing too much over stock, but it's still a significant increase in power and torque. So we just got this box in. FedEx just dropped it off. Oops. It's going to be another mod to the M235i. So stay tuned, subscribe, and like the video.